4, 3.
Welcome to SpaceX
2,
front page.
1.
This morning,
Ignition.
SpaceX successfully launched the Starlink 9 mission from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. The Falcon 9 rocket lifted off at 4:44 a.m. local time, carrying 20 Starlink satellites, including 13 with direct-to-cell capabilities. This mission marks the 200th Starlink mission overall. The launch was a spectacular sight, with the rocket illuminating the early morning sky as it ascended. The payload of 20 satellites will join the existing constellation, enhancing internet coverage and connectivity worldwide. The 13 direct-to-cell satellites are particularly noteworthy as they aim to provide improved mobile communication services, even in remote and underserved areas. This launch underscores SpaceX's commitment to innovation and expanding global internet access. This launch is part of SpaceX's ongoing efforts to expand its Starlink mega constellation. The mission aims to deploy dozens of small satellites into low Earth orbit, creating a network that will provide high-speed internet access globally. This initiative is particularly focused on reaching remote and underserved areas where traditional internet infrastructure is lacking. By doing so, SpaceX hopes to bridge the digital divide and bring connectivity to millions of people around the world, revolutionizing how we access information and communicate. The first stage booster B1075 made a pinpoint landing on the drone ship, showcasing the precision and reliability of SpaceX's landing technology. This remarkable feat is a testament to the engineering prowess and dedication of the SpaceX team. The drone ship, aptly named Of Course I Still Love You, is a critical component in SpaceX's ambitious plans for space exploration and satellite deployment. Stationed in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, this drone ship has successfully supported numerous missions. This particular landing marks the 14th successful launch and recovery of the booster, highlighting the advancements in reusable rocket technology. SpaceX's commitment to rapid reusability and innovation in space technology is evident in every mission, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and paving the way for future space endeavors. The ability to reuse boosters not only reduces costs, but also accelerates the pace of space exploration, making it more sustainable and efficient. This mission is another step forward in SpaceX's journey to revolutionize space travel and exploration. See you at the next launch.